You might think that global warming is caused by evil corporations who value money more than Mother Nature. But as we know from economics, the supply is driven by demand. If we buy anything that we want, we end up businesses make even more of that. Every one of us has the power to live consciously and influence the market. This video will show you how you could use the strategic prioritizer, first things first, to make more conscious personal buying decisions. Note that the results of the priorities that you will see will be purely opinionated and theoretical, and it will differ from person to person. Also, note that no brands paid us to get listed in this video. So let's get started. At first things first, you evaluate a list of things by your most important criteria and get your priorities sorted out. Let's say I have 400 euros and want to buy shoes. I will start a new project. From project templates, I will choose Best Buy and will follow the setup steps. What I care about when buying products is high quality, comfort, eco-friendliness, trusted brand, happiness, ethical production, sustainability. So in step 1, I will have these criteria listed out. Step 2 is about the things that I want to prioritize. I've seen some cool shoe ads on Facebook and elsewhere, and these caught my attention. 1. Diverge Landscape Canvas. It's an original Portuguese shoe model that looks made from torn fabric. What's intriguing is that you can customize the colors of each patch in their online shop. 2. ARKK Raven. It's a unique aesthetic and fashionable shoe model made from plastic bottles collected in nature. 3. Nike Adapt. It's a futuristic and innovative shoe model that adjusts to your foot automatically. Moreover, the sole glows in the dark in the color that you choose in an app. Step 3. It's time to evaluate those footwear models by my criteria. ARKK Raven and Nike Adapt are definitely of high quality. Diverge Landscape Canvas is probably too. ARKK Raven and Nike Adapt are definitely comfortable. Diverge Landscape Canvas is probably too. Diverge Landscape Canvas and ARKK Raven are definitely eco-friendly. Nike Adapt is probably not because of all that electronics inside. Nike is definitely a trusted brand. The other two could probably be too. I would feel equally happy with any of those shoes. Diverge Landscape Canvas claim about ethical production for sure. ARKK Raven mentioned their ethics regarding animals but didn't tell about people. Nike Adapt could possibly be ethical, but we don't know anything much about it. ARKK Raven is definitely sustainable, as these shoes are made from collected plastic bottles. Diverge Landscape Canvas could possibly be sustainable too. But the common sense says that electrical Nike Adapt is not so sustainable. Step 4. So here we have the prioritization results. ARKK Raven matches my criteria by 93%. Diverge Landscape Canvas matches my criteria by 82%. And Nike Adapt matches my criteria by 72%. What's even better is that I can buy the first two models together. They both fit my budget. Or I can buy just the best choice and spend the rest of my money on other kind of things or experiences. Are we going to live in a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable environment? It all depends on the choices we make. Whether you want to get something or do something, you can always make your choices with awareness. Strategic Prioritizer, first things first, helps you make up your mind. Don't wait and try for yourself, because our planet needs more conscious decisions.